May I please your lordship? My lord, this is the review petition, my lord. By way of this review petition, my lord, the petitioner seeks the review of the order, my lord.
Yes. Order dated?
Order dated, my lord, 11/4/2023, passed in WP number 655.
Annexure?
Annexure A1, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, there are only two submissions, my lord, majorly on the grounds that how these guidelines have not been followed by the department, and the petitioner has
That is
been.
not a ground for review. आप तो error apparent on face of record बताइए मुझे.
What had happened, my lord?
Please,
Yes,
please show me the error apparent on face of record. I'll not rehear the case. That is the prerogative of the writ appellate court.
My lord, if I may read the order 47 rule 1, my lord.
First of all, point out
What
the
it
error
says, my lord.
apparent on face of record.
On the
I have
face,
gone through your petition.
my lord.
उसमें आपने कोई error apparent on face of record नहीं बताया है.
What had happened, my
Not
lord, in
clerical-
2018, the guidelines for PIP, that is Performance Improvement Plan, was supplied to the petitioner, my lord, through mail.
Now, सबसे नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं मेरिट पे नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं मेरिट
पे नहीं, मतलब ये हुआ क्या है, 18 में जो इन गाइडलाइंस दी हैं, they in those guidelines, those 2 points which were the major defense for our petitioner, those were missing. अब ये 2019 में जो रिफ्रेश गाइडलाइन भेजते हैं अपडेट करके, एंड द पिटिशनर हैज सप्लाइड अस द गाइडलाइंस ऑफ 2018, दैट इज द ओनली मिस्टेक. अगर
इट इज हुज मिस्टेक, पिटिशनर्स मिस्टेक,
मतलब दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज रीडिंग.
ने कोई गलती नहीं करी है ना, बस इसमें रिव्यू का ग्राउंड नहीं है.
My lords has escaped
after arguing for some
my lord, may I read this order 47 1 of the APC?
I'll not. And submitting that
my lord,
in the order dated,
my lord, may please allow me to read, my lord, bear me for a moment, my lord.
WP number 655, but it,
my lord, during the period of corona, my lord, when the state government
supplied him incorrect guidelines of 2018 instead of 2019.
My lord, the department supplied us, my lord.
The department had supplied incorrect guidelines and
incorrect missing guidelines, my lord. They have updated the guidelines in the 19
and not the updated guidelines, comma. Therefore, the order has been vitiated. But the petition was decided on 11 April 2023. Petition full stop. Writ petition was filed in the year 2021. Full stop. There is no error apparent on face of record calling for showing indulgence in the matter of review.
My lord, may I humbly submit, my lord.
Petitioners were under some misconception of receipt in regard to receipt of documents, or the respondents had not given them the correct documents. Then,
if I may be allowed to read, my lord, order 47 rule 1 of the
yes,
CPC.
पढ़िएगा.
Any person considering himself aggrieved by a decision on a reference from a court or small cause, and who from the discovery of new and important matter or evidence which after the exercise of due diligence was not within his knowledge or could not be produced by him at the time when the decree was passed or order made, or on account of some mistake or error apparent on the face of the record, or for any other sufficient reason desires to obtain a review of the order. My lord, now my case falls within the knowledge, was not within his knowledge, my lord.
कब आया आपको ये दस्तावेज जानकारी में? चलिए शुरू करते हैं वहाँ से. कब आया ये दस्तावेज आपकी जानकारी में?
My lord, this
please
guidelines came to us in 2018, my lord.
कहाँ है? 18. कब आपकी जानकारी में कब आया ये दस्तावेज जिसके ऊपर आप रिव्यू सीख कर रहे हैं? क्या लिखा? और I'm asking you a direct question, categorical question. When did you discover the document on the basis of which you are seeking review?
My lord, as he recovered that there was 2 mail, and in second mail he has received the full
mail. When the second mail was received?
There are in 2019, my lord. In 2019.
तो फिर petition तो 21 में फाइल की थी.
My lord.
फिर क्या लिखा?
My lord, one more point, my lord. Last point, my lord.
लास्ट पॉइंट और करने दो इनको 2 मिनट. लास्ट पॉइंट और बताने दो.
Could not produce by him at the time when the decree was passed or order was made.
तो you will have to give sufficient reason for not producing it in time. दोनों चीजें आ गई.
My lord, my last submission, my lord. My last submission. मतलब मैं
आप morality क्या होती है ये सीखिए. यूके में एग्जिट पोल आने पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफर्स टू रिजाइन विदाउट वेटिंग फॉर द फाइनल रिजल्ट टू कम. ये इसे कहते हैं morality.
Morality has to we talked to department also, my lord. That department was every time he was knowing that those 2 points are in favor of us, my lord. But they never told us.
Achha.
They never told. They never appraised the court. My lord.
Is it their responsibility?
It was not their responsibility regarding morality, my lord. Regarding humanitarian, on a humanitarian ground, they could have told that.
जी चलिए
My lord, my last submission, my lord.
जी
If my lords are not considering this review petition, my lord,
जी.
my salary of December 2020
वो
is
सब
pending.
हमारा काम नहीं.
My lord, that salary is our right, my lord. It is pending, my lord.
रिलीफ कहाँ क्लेम किया था आपने सैलरी का, बताइएगा पिटीशन में. When was that relief claimed?
Although, my lord, in writ petition I have annexed additional document whereby I have worked till July.
वकील साहब इसीलिए बोलते हैं
And
कि
attendance
ट्रायल कोर्ट में वकालत करिए, अमेंडमेंट करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, ट्रायल कोर्ट में वकालत नहीं करते आप लोग, सीधे अवतरित हो
My
जाते
lord,
हैं हाई कोर्ट में.
I have made it
Where
release.
is the amendment in the pleadings and where is the relief? Now come to the petition and show me the relief. दीजिएगा WP दीजिएगा इनकी.
Although in the review petition, my lord, I have made the
रिव्यू पिटीशन में नहीं होता वकील साहब. पिटीशन में दिखा दीजिए ये रिलीफ मांगा था आपने सैलरी वाला. Please, comma, no ground for review subsist. Review petition fails and is dismissed. Now it is a matter purely between the council party and the council, for which forum is different. चलिए
It's my appearance, may I mark for respondents number 2 and 3 in
लिख
this.
के दे दीजिएगा, आ जाएगी.
Highly obliged.